Hello, this is Sato. If you have the experience of visiting Miyako City, one of the first things you'll probably think of it is Irabu Bridge. This bridge is 3,540 meters long. It took about 10 years to be completed. This bridge that links Miyako Island and Irabu Island opened to traffic in 2015. Since then, many people, including travelers and the locals, have been crossing this bridge for commuting and shopping. Irabu Bridge is the longest bridge in Japan you can use for free. Thanks to the completion of this bridge, people living in Miyako City no longer need to come and go from island to island by ship, leading to the improvement of convenience of our life. Travelers who are not going to Irabu Island may not use this bridge, but it's worth crossing this bridge. I think you cannot help taking pictures here, cause it's very beautiful, but you can't stop and park on the bridge. It's prohibited by law, so be careful. The best point where you can take good pictures and movies is the moment you start to go down from the top of the bridge. Be careful not to miss the photo opportunity. Sea turtles can be seen soon before finishing crossing the bridge on your left from Irabu Island to Miyako Island. In crossing this bridge from Miyako Island to Irabu Island, you will find a beautiful white beach on your left. The beach is called Yuni no Hama. It is said that this beach can be seen only at low tide, but by weathering, you can see it even when the tide is in. Your eyes will be naturally drawn to this beach and crossing the bridge. You can go there by ship, jet ski, kayak, or SUP. A lot of marine shops organize a tour to go to this beach. This beach appears at low tide, but if the tide is out so much, you cannot go there by ship and jet ski because the sand damages the propeller of them. In that case, you can go there only by kayak or SUP. Both of the views from Yuni no Hama side and from Irabu Bridge side are amazing. Powdery sand is spreading here, so you can take Instagrammable pictures here. If you feel like going to Yuni no Hama, please check out the website 5oceanmiyako.com. In this company, you can go to Yuni no Hama only by jet ski. If you have the license of jet skis, you can drive it and go to the beach with the staff. But it's very difficult for non-Japanese people to get a license of jet ski in Japan. The license of cars and jet ski is completely different, so even if you have the license of cars, you cannot drive a jet ski in Japan. It takes a couple of days to get the license, and you need to pass a written and practical tests. In some countries, you can drive a jet ski without a license, but this is Japan, as the provinces, when in Japan, do as the Japanese do. So in most cases, the staff will operate it for you. Alright everyone, I hope you create good memories here. Thank you very much for watching this video till then. See you next time. Bye.